Hey you guys, let's revamp an old tin container today. So I have this waste container with me. To start with, I will be making wall putty clay. So I've taken some wall putty in a plate and made some space in the center as shown. Now add in water and fevicol. We add in the fevicol so as to make our clay a bit more stronger. So mix all these ingredients as shown. Add in water as and when required. Be careful while adding in water as we don't want to create a paste. Mix well. Now I've oiled my hands as wall putty tends to dry out the skin. And now the messy part is here, kneading the mixture into a dough. You'll have to knead it enough till you don't see any cracks after folding the clay. It seems pretty well here. Now I've used a piece of pipe to roll the clay flat. I want to create houses and buildings, so cutting out those shapes. Now apply some glue on the can and place these pieces on it. To even out the clay, I am using wet brush. This gives a smooth and even finish. Give it a cute look. I will be using these pastel shades by Fevicryl. And now my favorite part, that is painting. Let's do some detailing and add in rooftops and also windows. Isn't it looking cute? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll be using it as a brush holder. Like, share and subscribe for more such projects. Bye bye.